Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your email marketing with Constant Contact, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your email marketing efforts using Constant Contact, start by creating a strong password for your account. Choose a unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. This adds an essential layer of security to your email marketing platform. Next, enable two-factor authentication for your Constant Contact account. This feature requires a second form of verification, which helps prevent unauthorized access. Once you're logged into Constant Contact, navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you can manage users and assign roles to your team members. Ensure that only trusted individuals have access to your email marketing tools. Regularly review user access to keep your account secure. Now, focus on building a quality email list. This helps to filter out those who might not genuinely be interested, reducing the risk of spam complaints. Next, make sure your emails are compliant with the CAN-SPAM Act. This not only keeps you compliant but also improves your sender reputation. This allows you to send targeted content, which can lead to higher engagement rates. Monitor your email deliverability by regularly checking your bounce rates. High bounce rates can signal issues with your email list quality. Utilize Constant Contact's analytics tools to track open rates and click-through rates. This data helps you to continuously improve your email campaigns. Implement a proper email authentication method like SPF and DKIM. These methods verify that your emails are being sent from an authorized server, reducing the chance of being marked as spam. Always use a recognizable sender name and email address. This fosters trust and encourages recipients to open your emails. Finally, stay informed about the latest email marketing trends and best practices. Regularly update your strategies to keep your email marketing effective and secure. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your email marketing efforts with Constant Contact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.